hearing other sounds and you just feel compelled to make a sound, then you just make that sound without looking around the room and going, how many other people are sitting and how many other people have said something or making that sound too. And, and then of course, you only going to be able to make a sound for so long because you do have to inhale, right? So don't worry about when you inhale, if the next sound that comes out matches the sound that you made before. It's okay. The beautiful thing is just that when you're listening to the other sounds, you may find a sound that you want to make.